Pound yen, what a beautiful trade we had this morning. We had, as you can see here, the price develop a false breakout, and that give us the high probability of sign to the downside. And price nicely broke on this area, and the news wasn't good. News wasn't good to the cable. So we have squeezed this beautiful short trade here. Price nicely hit to the support level. We also had a counter long trade here and squeeze amazing profit and expecting target this level. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. Hello traders, today is the 10th of June 2025, Tuesday. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze amazing profits, especially on pound dollar and the pound yen. Let's look at the analysis. Well, guys, if you look at the pound dollar, if you're following my analysis on the YouTube, yesterday we had an amazing webinar on MyQFX, which is I explained that I'm expecting a continuation if the price can respect this level. Yesterday, as you have seen, we had this beautiful short trade. We also had a counter long trade here. And afterwards, as you can see, multiple rejection. So we have this breakout, and the news today was negative for the cable, and that we had this breakout and we squeeze amazing profit, amazing beautiful short trade here. So we were expecting possibility of price rejection here and sign of continuation, but the price refused. So then we also had this counter long trade here, squeeze amazing profit. Now we are looking for short trade here. If you look at here, the price nicely came back and retest this level. And if you see the rejection, that's the sign of continuation to the downside. We'll let you know tomorrow, but let me share with you how we analyze the entries and exit in intraday. That was the pretty straightforward. We had a one beautiful short and one beautiful long. So this was the trade we had. We did this analysis at the European Open. As explained to trader, let's look for this breakout. The safest way we had it, once the price broken and after this breakout price retest, give us the confirmation. We taken a short trade here and then news came, and that's you can see it's such a nice beautiful hit to the final target, and that's what explained our traders time to squeeze some profit on pound dollar. That was a beautiful trade, guys. We had it, and afterwards we had a price develop another counter opportunity. We were looking for price action. So as you can see here, the momentum was bullish. So this was the counter long trade here around target around was this level, which is price nicely hit, and we squeeze amazing profit. So now we are looking for a short trade here. We'll let you know tomorrow. And if you look at the pound yen, what a beautiful trade we had this morning. We had, as you can see here, the price develop a false breakout, and that give us the high probability of sign to the downside. And price nicely broke on this area, and the news wasn't good. News wasn't good to the cable. So we have squeezed this beautiful short trade here. Price nicely hit to the support level. We also had a counter long trade here and squeeze amazing profit and expecting target this level. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. So if you look at the pound yen, we had a beautiful trade, guys. We had this beautiful this morning. We have once the price developed false breakout, as you can see here, the price could not maintain above this level. Price developed impulsive reaction, so we were expecting a pullback around this level. Price nicely developed pullback, and then after that, as I explained, keep taking a pullback. What a beautiful short trade, guys, on pound yen squeeze. Amazing profit. After banking short trade, we have price develop another counter opportunity, long trade here. As you can see here, the price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, and we look at price develop a low high is been developed. Price nicely broke on hit to the profit target around this level. We squeezed some profit, and afterwards we had another beautiful long trade here, guys, on pound yen. That was a beautiful trade, guys. As you can see here, price nicely broken. We already banked some profit here. Price nicely broken this one, and afterwards we announced all these pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and that's what I explained our traders time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful long trade, guys, on pound yen squeeze amazing profit. So if you look at the Euro USD now today, and the Euro USD, we had a, if you look at here, it's sort of like a consolidation. The price is still respecting this previous high. Let's see here. So we had a short trade, and then we had a long trade. Now let me share with you guys on Euro USD. So Euro USD, If you look at this was the trade we had yesterday. Yesterday we had this beautiful short trade here once the price came back, and we had a long trade here. And this morning we had this beautiful short trade, squeeze some profit, and we were expecting the price should stay, respect this level and give us the continuation sign, but price refused, and we have another beautiful breakout, a long trade here. And we constantly monitoring and give this explanation to our traders. So we had this beautiful long trade here. As you can see here, the price refused to develop a full, pullback. Instead, price developed false breakout. This was the major support level was broken. Price developed a false breakout that gave us a high probability trade. But as mentioned, my trader looked this breakout. As you can see here, the price nicely broken. And after that, price nicely broke on the previous high and developed another pullback, hit to the profit target. And that's what explained our traders time to bring some profit. So that was a beautiful trade, guys. We had it. And I hope you enjoy all this analysis. But if you want to see those analysis in real time, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing today community. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, all the best.